coolest thing is, watch this. So I'm gonna put the coffee in. 1, 2, 1 second. So good. Thank you, Door County. Okay, now I've got to get the white. So good. If you like pumpkin spice, if you don't, then I guess it'd smell horrible, huh? Oops. So then you just put this on top there. Make sure everything's in place. Okay, shut this bad boy. All right, he's plugged in. Now for the magic. Talk about fresh coffee. And now for the moment of truth. So here we go. Doo doo. All right, just enough. Oh, that looks pretty. There's a little bean over there. Good. Oh, look at that creamy goodness. Oh, you are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Straight. Absolutely perfect. So, highly recommend all of these things, including this cute little cup, but except you want your family, not mine, because that would be weird. Cuisinart, what is this thing? This thing. DGB-550, okay? Love this thing, amazing. Silk almond creamer. And yeah, this stuff I got on Amazon. So cute and wonderful. All right, bye guys.